Alright, what is good YouTube? We're back. We have like another kind of sneaker review. I was able to pick up the Yeezy Slide Glow Green. Finally hit on a pair of Yeezy Slides. Been trying to hit for, holy hell, fucking at least a year, I think, since they've been restocking a little bit recently. And you know what? Like one thing I love about this is like it's got like such a unique thing. I remember back in 2019, people when it originally released, they were actually sitting on Yeezy supply. People didn't really like them that much, but all of a sudden now they're in super high demand, and even with high stock, like I think Angelo, the last time we did it, I think on the restocking, like oh my god, it was in June, I think. I had combined 15 entries with you, like E-Man, a bunch of guys, fucking zero. I think it was just that high friggin' demand, right? But this time with like what, I think I had 9 entries on the Adidas app, I had 3 on Livestock Canada, and then 1 hit in Glow Green on my account. So I'm really happy to have these, and let's get right into it. Alright, so here's the box. What I really like about the box they did with this, it's like a normal Yeezy box, but because it always has no number, and like everything else just says Slide. The opposite side of the box where you can slide it out just says Yeezy Slide, made by Adidas with the Adidas logo. Nothing good at the bottom of the box to say I have the Adidas logo. And where the size tag is, this says Yeezy Slide, made by Adidas, and just Yeezy Slide says so GLWGRN, so glow green, glow green, glow green. Originals made in China. Got a size 13. If you're wondering on sizing, guys, big sizing, exclamation mark. If you want, when it comes to this, I've heard like mixed reviews. It was always like go a full size up, right? Usually that's what everybody said. And for some reason, this one going in, I was kind of worried because I went with 13, right? Then somebody was like, oh, go full 2 sizes up on this one. This is the V2 and this is even smaller. If you want to show you the slide after, the slide is actually like, it's not necessarily the back of the slide, it's the front of the slide where it gets narrow and stuff, and just to get your foot in, you can have problems. But yeah, no, I do recommend going up like 1 size, and especially if you have wide feet, my God. All right, so here's the slides. Very bright color, as you can tell. Is this more like a yellowish, like green, I guess?
No, it's green.
It's not neon, though.
It's like a light green.
So they actually kind of like trolled the community a little bit. They were saying, because when you release something called Glow Green, everybody heard about it and they see it's green. They thought it was glow in the dark, which it is not glow in the dark. But pretty much, yeah, I'll just do like a quick breakdown of the slide like we usually do. Pretty much, yeah, just the front of the slide. This is what I was talking about. There's like very narrow part of the slide. You know, once you get your foot in, like I'll have it on for you at the end of the video so you can check that out. But yeah, once you put your foot in there, that's when it's gonna make or break if you can really wear these comfortably. Inside here, it does, I don't know, we'll try and get it in, get some camera footage of it, but it does say it's like indented inside. It's on the tag, Yeezy 13 US, made in China. And another thing about these, I was hearing online that usually a lot of shoes, like I don't know the exact conversion, but say for example I'm a 13 in US. In the UK sizing, it's totally different. Like it's like a 15 or like 11 or something like that. But with the Yeezy Slides, it's all universal, just one freaking size. So the UK 13 is the US 13, which is super whack. So I don't maybe that's why it's all the size up, and because on the Adidas app, like Angelo, I don't know if you remember, like before you click my size, it says I recommend going up 1 size. So yeah, then just on where you put like the ball of your foot, it does have the Adidas logo, just the stripes, not the text. On the side of it, you can tell it's got like this little like line that just wraps around just like the back of the sneaker. And there's actually also another tag. This is where the actual tag is. Made in China, US 13. Yeah, see UK 13. You know, this is actually weird. It says male here, so there's no, I don't know why it says that. There's a QR code Adidas. And then pretty much like the coolest part of the sneaker pretty much is like, it's almost like a little shark teeth, like little traction. And this whole slide is made of sponge. So like, as you can tell, like you can like bend the shit out of this. So with this, like this is gonna get really dirty. You're just gonna have to just clean it with your regular shoe cleaners and stuff, crap or whatever. But I know if you guys are wondering like comfort wise, so like when I put them on right away, like it did feel like more comfortable than people did say and they're recommending. But you know, I've heard like a million people say that like once you wear it over time, it actually, you know, gets way more comfortable, and that's what I'm hoping for with these. I did notice like I just wanted to kind of see if I can break it in a touch. So I did actually like have them on around the house for like a couple hours just to kind of see like when I was watching TV or I was editing a video or something like that, and it did get a little more comfortable than before. But if you have a chance to try these on before, I'd definitely try them with socks. Don't try them without socks, because that's the real indicator. A lot of people want to wear these with socks, so don't just try it with barefoot, because the socks definitely do make it thicker when it comes to this narrow part. So if you're wondering if you want to buy this, because these do sell out super quick, on StockX, say a couple drops ago, maybe in April, the first real restock one, and they've been going since every 2 months, they were going for a lot, especially the new colorways and stuff. They were going for $400 or $500 Canadian, on StockX after everything, fees and taxes. But now they're a lot better now. Now you can get pretty much one of these for under 300, but just beware, big fucking big warning, discretion is advised, all that shit. There's a lot of fakes. I even seen some on Amazon that look pretty close. They don't have the Adidas, they're not trying to rip it off, but I'm sure there are people trying to rip off the actual Yeezy Slide. I know Atmos, I believe, they have one that kind of looks similar to it too. Some people are just selling for that. They don't even care to have the actual authentic thing. I just want to have the authentic thing. I could have bought one for $30 off Amazon. They look just like it, or not just like, they look pretty close. But I want the actual thing and stuff with Adidas, and they get the sponge right on here for sure. We're also gonna have I'm gonna have these on feet at the end of the video, so just stay tuned to check that out. I got some gray sweats on, so some neutral. With these, if you're gonna try and style these, I would definitely go neutral. At all costs. This is very bright, very vibrant. But anyways, guys, let us know if you were able to cop a pair. Did you try? Did you get in a rage and punch through your wall or something? Because if I didn't hit again, I would have been pretty butthurt. But yeah, if you got them, let us know how they feel on feet. Have you broke these down yet? Have they been durable? And let us know with that. And if you consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, turn on that post notification bell right here. Just helps us a lot if you want to see more content like this, sneaker related. There's this fall, winter, holiday season, there's gonna be tons of great sneakers, and I'm gonna be going for some, so hopefully I hit on some. As long as I have those cool gray 11s by the end of the year, I'm straight. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for an on feed at the end of the video. It'll be there with that, and with that, yeah, signing off. Take it easy.